Hello guys, this is Luma. Well, now I'm going to work out because I love working out, and my friend recommended a great fitness center nearby my friend's house. So I'm really excited. Let's go, shall we?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go.
I'm just finished my working out. It was really great because the fitness center facility was really amazing. Like my fitness center is not good enough compared to this fitness center, so I was able to do whatever I want to. So now I'm really struggling because I used my entire power, so I need to have a lunch. And the previous night I drink a little bit much, so I need to eat hangover food. And there is a great hangover food nearby my friend's house, so I will go there. Let's go, shall we?
나 뜬줄 알았어. 손잡이 귀엽다. 안녕하세요.
This is pork bone stew, which is called 뼈해장국. It is perfect for hangover. Actually, I drank a little bit much the previous night. This stew taste is similar to dog stew, but quite different. There are several kinds of vegetables on it. The pork taste is so tender and it was melting when I bite it. You should put on rice on stew.
술 한잔 나. 해, 술 한잔 나. 아까 이렇게 말면. 안 찍어줘야 되는 거 아니야?
아니야 아니야.
제 마지막 치팅은 용남이네요. 안 그래도.
So now I'm on my way to take a train for going to Busan. Yeah, I spent a really great time with my friend, and my friend provided friend house, so I was able to stay well. And also my friend recommended diverse places, so I want to say thank you for my friend. I could complete our Daegu travel. Let's go to the Busan. Today I booked a special guest house. It is really hard to see in Korea, like the guest house that's available for all gender, which means that like men and women sleep in the same rooms. When I saw this guest house, I was really surprised. So let's go. Here is the guest house where I stay today and tomorrow. This room for 4 people. Like there's a 2-story bunk bed, so cabinet, another 2-story bunk bed, mirror over there. So I think this place is quite cozy. Now it's time to go to eat dinner. So today I'm gonna eat grilled shell. Like this place is Busan, is nearby the sea, so there is a lot of different kind of seafood, and especially grilled shell also famous in Busan as well. So I'm going to eat grilled shell, and I'm really excited that I can eat grilled shell today. So let's go, shall we? 얼마 걸려요?
15분 걸립니다. 앞에 10분 갔다 오니까 금방.
하차입니다.
한장이요.
혼자 다니면 제일 편하다.
네 맞아요. 네, 물도 하나만 주세요. This soju is representative brand of Busan, which is called Daesan. These are grilled shell, which is called 조개구이, including scallops and pan shells. Also, I'm making special sauce including cheese, butter, onion, sweet chili paste, and so on. This sauce is really amazing. Finally, it is fully cooked, so let's dig in. This grilled shell taste is chewy, juicy, sour, sweet, and there are so many flavors combining. You guys should try it. I ordered ramen. I was not able to pass ramen because ramen is great food while I'm drinking and dessert. Also, ramen with soju is perfect combination. I had really great dinner tonight. Like grilled shell was really amazing and it's perfect for dinner. You guys need to eat shell with soju. It's a perfect combination. Yes, this is all for today. So bye bye, see ya.